We need just two things.
Flour and egg. That's it. For you and your parents need something like
400 grammi? 400 grams?
yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes? Is it right?
And yeah. We will start to pouring our flour alcohol in the middle with your fingers.
It looks like a tiny volcano.
Maybe like Italian famous volcano. Do you know some? Vesuvio. Say
Vesuvio.
Vesuvio.
Vesuvio!
What city was under the volcano Vesuvio? Pompeii.
Pompeii? My name?
Yes.
I'm gonna get burned! Crack your egg into the hole.
One egg. And second, please. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me.
Wow.
Oh. It's not easy, eh? Open it.
I'm scared.
In the hole.
Some cracks are gonna come.
Yeah, be careful.
We have to be actually careful.
No shells allowed. Without shells. Yes!
Bye.
Okay, fine.
How the
Comincia a mischiare, vai. Vai.
Like this?
Vai.
Like this?
Yeah, vai.
No egg, you stay there. You stay. No. You stay there. You stay there. I said you stay there. Oh, be a good boy. Stay there. I said stay there. Right now. No. And you, no.
Okay, I think your volcano just exploded.
Eggy. Oh, you eggy. So messy.
Now it's time
No water?
for our unoriginal recipe. Because we don't like so many eggs in the pasta. Vero?
Push the dough with your hands.
Yes. Unoriginal ingredient.
Olive oil. I guess it calls. It's right! Olive oil!
Yeah.
Why are you laughing then, huh?
Olio di oliva, ragazzi. Molto buono.
I don't understand.
Il migliore al mondo.
What the heck you're saying? Can you explain it? What? No? You cannot explain me? Why not?
Olive oil. Olio di oliva. I think it's the same, è uguale.
Look, come c'è sta bella.
Sì, è un vero.
So put the dough in the bowl and give it a rest.
Yes. For
Or
dough is taking a little nap.
yeah, that's true.
20 minutes. In the meantime, let the water boil and add a lot of salt. Of course, prepare your own tomato sauce. Whatever, guys. Our recipe is garlic and onion, and of course, a tomato sauce.
This is my pasta machine. It looks serious.
But don't worry, I am the boss here.
Let's grab my
Dough
dough.
from the
Dough. Ball.
Okay.
Now we need.
Soft,
Yes.
squishy.
Yes.
Okay, so can be handled to next step.
Can I
Wait,
try?
no, only parents' knife in the hands. So we will cut to the pieces. For the switch to number 1 or 0,
Go grab it for me.
roll it for the first time.
Okay.
You can do it wrong. It's easy.
I don't have long hands.
Vai. Yes! Fatto. Second time, we will change to number.
2.
No, we will change to number 5.
Oh,
4, 3, 5. Go. Now look how soft it is. It's getting longer
Yes.
and longer.
It's like a snake.
Yes, right. So keep going with the rest.
Yeah. Now the fun part. Now we have to switch in the collocator.
Tagliatelle cutter, do you mean? Okay. So you switched to the tagliatelle cutter, and now what? A bit of magic. There. Go. Yes. You forgot something here, look.
Oh yeah.
Go, 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 go! Roll it!
Can I put?
Yes. It's yours.
Look at this.
So big!
Yeah.
Go! To the boiled water. Oh, quickly, quickly, quickly! Perfect! Rocky! It's for Rocky! Give him to eat! Do you like our pasta, Rocky? It's good! Yeah! Rocky spends a lot of time in Italy too, huh? So, one for Rocky. Boil the pasta for a bit. I don't know how much, maybe 3-4 minuti. And the sauce of tomato sauce.
I know it's gonna be already
Sugo del pomodoro.
Yeah, partigiano reggiano.
And Parmigiano Reggiano. And don't forget what?
Basilico, I think it calls.
Basilico.
Let me help.
Look at this. And Rocky is really hungry too, huh?